future is framed. Machines make machines, progress untamed. Lines move swiftly, precise and refined, built on the past, on those left behind. Along the far wall, out of the way they stand, a line of old models, the work of past hands. Among them Robot 11, battered but proud, a symbol of lessons that time won't cast out. Each step, every fall, they pave the way. Lessons of metal that still guide today. The past stands silent, yet echoes remain. Their trials live on in steel and fame. They do not move, they do not speak, yet every design still carries their streak. Stronger, faster, the new ones may be, but none stand without their history. Visitors gather, their footsteps slow, tracing the past and the machines on show. Though silent they stand, their purpose remains, a testament built through trials and gains. Each step, every fall, they pave the way. Lessons of metal that still guide today. Live on in steel and fame. Not forgotten, not erased, their struggles live in each new face. Through every model, every line, 11's legacy will always shine. Each step, every fall, they pave the way. Yeah, Lord, they pave the way. Lessons of metal that still guide today. Past stands silent, yet echoes remain. Their trials live on in steel and fame. Live on in steel and fame.